A trading range can also give you a feel for anticipated price gains and price losses in terms of, like, let's say your own profits from trading in this particular security. And you can think of the terms of the range in terms of amounts. What is the difference between them? So if we use, let's say, on day one, something had a high of, well, we'll use dollars as an example, $10, and had a low of $8 using absolute terms. Well, we would say it would have a $2 trading range, right? 10 minus 8, for example, very simple. So that will give you an idea of potential profit around there. So if we look at this an example even closer, let's say over 5 days, you have these different price trading ranges. Now, these are not the actual prices. This is the range. Like the previous example showed us, we had a $2 range. Maybe day 2 was $3, and then $1 and $4 and $2. So over 5 days, you have this total ranges of, in effect, $12, and you divide that by the 5 days, you get your average daily trading range of $2.40, right? Simple math at that point. Again, not prices in this example. We're looking at the trading range as a technical indicator and maybe as a profit anticipator. So we have $2.40. So let's say over that daily range, that $2.40, then if you had bought at the absolute low in this particular example over that days of trading, and you sold at the absolute high, then you would have made $2.40 per share of security that you had for that particular day, or during that particular series. Now, is it common to buy at the absolute low and sell at the absolute high? No, not at all. But you might be near each of those extremes as far as getting that, and you can get a feel for what are your potential profits. So something that might have a high range and you're buying maybe near the low, and it has a high absolute trading range, you might have more opportunity for profit than something that's at a lower or more narrower range. So it kind of gets into the volatility of a security as well too. But you kind of anticipate things with higher ranges might give you more opportunities, but you have to look at so many other things as well too. But trading range can give you an idea of a lot of things you can look at from a technical analysis standpoint.